Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Canon EOS Rebel and you need to do a hard reset on it and return the camera to its default settings like it was when it came out of the box. It's a really easy thing to do. All we need to do is, first of all, we're just going to turn our camera on. And then once it's on, from here we're going to, down at the bottom right, we're going to hit the physical menu button. And when you hit the menu button, it's going to open you up this menu here. And you're going to scroll over, as you can see, all the way to the third wrench menu button. So it's right here. You scroll over there and then we're going to scroll down to the clear settings button. We're going to select clear settings. And then once we get the clear settings, we'll have the option, several different options, and we're going to select clear all camera settings. And if you hit that, it will go through a little reset process, and then your camera will be reset to the way it was when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.